Every day starts with some expectations but ends with some experiences. This is the life. So enjoy the day every day. A very warm, glorious and blissful morning to everyone. Today we are just going to start our class with some lines which we teachers mainly used in the classrooms, like don't push to anyone, don't pull that benches like this, all of you are just totally aware with these lines now. And look at them, look at this guy. He just want to push the box and he just want to pull the rope. Why are you always lying like a push and pull? What do you think about this? Yes, you are absolutely right. Today we are going to start our class, our chapter, which is pull and push. Various of examples in our day-to-day life we are just showing in our surrounding. Like look at this one, that women just push this swing up so that can play, and this boy push this ball so that it moves, and this women just push the gate, and whenever you want to open the gate, you pull it down. So push and pull, both the things we are just applying on any gate, we can say. As well as look at this boy, he just want to run up the scooter to push it, push forward, as well as this boy is also want to pull this trolley to reach to the mountain, and after that push it down, push it down so that that trolley moves from the mountain, So various of examples are just we have in our day-to-day life. We are just doing lots of work to push anything or pull anything, okay? As well as look at them in the tug of war, it is shown here now. In the tug of war, these children just pull up the rope, and when someone just left this, they are just fallen down. So in the tug of war, we are also pull the rope, we can say, look at them. As well as in our day-to-day life, various of things. He is just made up with the balls, just push up this car also. So various of things, various of examples we are just showing in our day-to-day life to pull and push the things. And whenever you pull anything or push anything, is there something required? What is the requirement to pull or push anything? Anyone? Force. Whenever you apply some forces, then only you just pull or push, but you have to be very energetic, then only you are just capable to do all these activities, So forces are very important thing, as well as the direction. How you just differentiate what is the pulling, what is the pushing, how you differentiate it? Because of the direction, when something it just comes towards you, then only your pulling process is just going on there, and whenever you just push anything from your side, then that one is the pushing. So the direction which is just comes from you or towards you, that one, the direction is the main thing for the differences of the pulling and pushing process. We can say now. Are you agree with this? Okay. Let's move to key forces are a very important thing, and because you want to apply some force, you have to be very energetic. So if you want to become very energetic in this corona time, whenever you are packed in at your home, eat some healthy foods, some nutritious food, so that you feel energetic and do any activity in your life, okay? Well, so there are lots of forces, there are several types of forces in our day-to-day life, like Gravitational force, all of you are totally aware with this gravitational force, as well as we can say frictional force, magnetic force, muscular force. All of you, whenever we just do any work, this muscular force apply now. So various of forces in our day-to-day life we are just showing and experiences these forces. Like gravitational force, that gravitational force, all of you know about this. The apple is just fallen. Why the apple is just fallen down? Why it is not goes up? So because of the gravitational force of the earth, that happens. Everyone probably totally aware with all these things. As well as after that we can say the frictional force. Frictional force mainly it is just force which is applied. Gharshan word, listen ever, and when the less of the friction, you are just walk very easily or run very easily, and the friction is not very high. So you are facing various of problems. Okay. So frictional force is very important for our day-to-day life, as well as the magnetic force. When all of you just experiences this one, when you just lots of iron particles are just kept there and show the magnet. There are two poles now, north pole and south pole, and it just attract the iron particles towards it. What is this? How this is possible? This is possible because of the magnetic force of that magnet, so that it attracts these iron particles towards it. And muscular force in our day-to-day life, we are just applying this force so that we are just pulling and pushing anything or do every work with the help of our muscular force. So these are the main 4 forces which is just given in your book. So this one is the overall idea about this chapter. I hope you are just getting some overall things about this chapter. In our next video, we will discuss one by one each and every topic on the board in the classroom. Okay? I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Have a grateful day to everyone.